So guys, the first website in the list is tineye.com. I'll provide all the links of these websites in the description below. Don't worry about that. But the first website is tineye.com. See, for example, you have an image on your PC or mobile phone or any other gadget. Then if you want to know about the information of that particular image, then you can use this app. For that, you have to just click on the upload button here, or you can even enter the URL if you want. I'm just navigating to my folder. See, I'm just uploaded one of the image of the which I downloaded on the internet. See, you can see this is one of the image I have uploaded onto the tineye.com website, and you can see the information of this image. For example, you can see it has been uploaded onto the stock.adobe.com and some of the other websites. So this image is found in all these websites that you are seeing on the screen right now. So if you want to just know about the information of from which website I downloaded a particular image, then you can use this tineye.com website. And the second website in the list is the jamjar.com. For example, if you have a file in the some other format and if you want to convert it to the other format, for example, if you have a file in the Word format and if you want to convert it into the PDF format, then also you can use this website. This website supports 1100 plus formats. See, for example, just adding a file, and I'm just adding this iPhone SE thumbnail to this, and you can see I have to just choose the image. For example, my file was in the JPEG format. I want to just convert it to the PNG format. You can just choose the format and have to just click on convert now, and after click the convert now, you can see the file has been converted. You can just download onto your mobile or in your PC. So the third website in the list is the stars.chromeexperiments.com. See, for example, in these pandemic situations, you are staying at home, you're just going outside if you are just having some of the important works, but most of the time you might be staying at home. So if you want to just know the Milky Way, you have to just see that Milky Way in the 3D format, then this website is for you. See, for example, you can see stars.chromeexperiments.com. See, if you're interested in the space, then you can use this website. You can see this is the website. I'm just zooming it, and if you just zoom in, you can see all the names of the stars, galaxies, or you can see any other thing. For example, you can see this is the sun, and it has been formed around 1 light year ago. So like this, you can even know the information of that particular object you want to know in the Milky Way. You can see you can just drag this slider also for the zooming in of the universe, and you can see this is the sun, you can see right there. So like this, you can use this stars.chromeexperiments.com website. And the next website in the list is the duckduckgo.com. See, at any point of time, you might be not wishing to store the history that you have searched on the Chrome or any other browser. Then you can use this duckduckgo.com. You can see here the search engine that does not track you. This duckduckgo.com search engine will not track your data. You can download the software also. It will be available on the website, and we even download an extension so that it will be easy for you to directly go into that, but it's a separate part. I'm trying to make a video on that. So this is a duckduckgo.com. If you don't want to track your data by the Google, then you can just type in this duckduckgo.com. For example, I'm just typing the Akilan tag. You can see this data will not be shown in the search results of your web browser. So this data will not be tracked by the duckduckgo.com. And the next website in the list is the facts.net. This website is very interesting. See, if you want to know about the facts of different categories, then this website will be perfect for you. You can see the categories like here the technology, animals, lifestyle, food, entertainment, and even if you just click on this arrow, some of the other categories too. If you want to just know some of the facts, then you can use this website. You can see here we also have some of the popular facts, and you can even have the technology facts as well as a tech channel. Let us click on the technology facts, and you can see, you just scroll on, you can find the Amazon facts and some of the 5 facts about the Amazon. Find facts of the other categories also. And if you want to just grab the knowledge by using any website, then you can try this facts.net website. And the next website in the list is the duolingo.com. See, in your life you might be thinking to learn some of the different languages, but you don't know where should I learn that language or that particular language. Then for those kind of people, this duolingo.com will be perfect for you. You have to just click on this get started and you can learn the Spanish, French, German, Japanese, Italian, English and some of the other languages also. You can learn even Hindi if you are an Indian, and you can find even for some of the other languages. And if you want to just learn those, then you can try this duolingo.com website. And the next website in the list is skyscanner.co.in. See guys, if you want to just book the cheap flights to a particular place, then you can try this website. For that, you have to just click on the from, and you can just enter the city or the country that you want to travel to. For example, I'm just typing the Delhi for now, and if you want to just select the depart date and even the return date, and you have to just enter how many people you are traveling. And after I've entered that, I have to just click on search flights, and after I've clicked on that option, then it will show you all the cheap flights that are available near you, so that you can just book the flight and you can just travel to that place. And the next website in the list is the fakenamegenerator.com. See, if you want to just create a fake identity of yourself for logging into a website or doing other stuff, then you can try this app. You have to just select your gender, and you can even select your namesake, that is which state, and have to even select your country, and have to just click on generate. Then you can see the identity will be created, and you can use this identity for just logging into some of the websites. And the next website in the list is the myfonts.com. See, for example, you have just saw a meme or an image on the Instagram or any other social media platform, and if you want to just know that font of the text that is used in that image, then you can use this app. For example, I'm just clicking here. Let's try this YouTube versus TikTok video thumbnail. You can see this is the YouTube. It has already been identified, and to just click on next, and you can see this is the font I used there, and you can know that font, and you can just download that font by searching into Google, like using the dafonts.com or any other websites. The last website in the list is the mathway.com. So if you're not getting any sum in the maths and you just keep on trying on it, and at last you did not get the perfect answer, then for knowing the correct answer, for the correct solution, then you can try this website. For that, you have to just enter a problem. I've just copied one of the problem on other websites, and I'm just pasting it right here. You can see this is one of the sum I've just copied and pasted in this website. And to just click on next, and after I've clicked on next, it will have some of the options in which way it should answer your problem. You have to just evaluate the function, or you have to just simplify, or you have to just find the factor, find the term. For example, let us type the evaluate the function, and you can see if you just scroll down, you can see the function that is used in this math problem, and you can just correct your mistakes that you have made it wrong, and you can know how this problem has been solved, and you can just become a maths expert. And that's all from this video. If you find this video is informative, hit that like button, share it to your friends as much as possible. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box below, because I'll definitely answer your questions. Do subscribe my channel by clicking the Akilantech logo and clicking subscribe button.